Hello traders and welcome back to my Forex Funds Challenge Week 3. First of all, I have to say once again, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I telling you what to do or what not to do. Whatever you do is your own responsibility. I take zero responsibility for your actions. Let's move on with the video, where, as you can see from the title, we are massively up. Actually, we have covered all the losses and we are slightly up on the overall balance, but generally speaking, we made a lot of money this week. Now, what I have to highlight is that I did not change the way I was trading. The only thing that I changed is my risk management. So, for example, when I would be entering a trade in the first 2 weeks, let's say randomly, I'm not entering like that, I'm just saying randomly like that, and I would go target over there. Now I would close my first partials somewhere here in this area. So this is the only thing that changed. Nothing else changed. I'm entering the trades with the exact same logic and the exact same way. Besides the images that you can see on the screen right now and where we are exactly on our challenge, I will show one trade on Bitcoin USD which went up to 1 to 40. Of course I closed lots of partials. Okay, we were somewhere around here, and forget about this thing that I have right here. Imagine that we are exactly at this candlestick right here. And as you can see on the 1 hour chart, we have price breaking above previous areas. And what I'm doing again and again, I'm highlighting the most important unmitigated order blocks. And this one was on the 15-minute, you can see it right here, unmitigated. You could as well highlight this whole thing on the 1 hour chart. It's not that big of a deal, it's almost the same thing. But we will keep it exactly where I had it on the 15-minute. And now we're waiting for price to come back to this area, and once it makes it back to this area, here we are expecting some kind of wyckoff. Here we get into the 15 minutes. Okay, we see a break of structure above, and I think it went even lower than I entered, or I entered immediately after this break right here. This was a riskier entry, of course, and I placed my stop loss below this candlestick, as you can see right here, and this is 41.39, as we can see. Okay, you might as well have waited for a retrace to this last order block and then enter the trade, like over here, this order block that we see. But let's see if price made it back. I don't think it did. This was a risky entry which I placed during my work, and it happened to hit my profit right here. Of course, I didn't close an overall 1 to 40, but the last point that I closed was up to 1 to 40. And then I think if we go to the 1 hour chart again, yeah, we had an order block which was unmitigated right here. And this is the reason that I closed my trade to 1 to 40, because now I had a bearish bias when price made it over here. And I was expecting for price to react from here, get back to this area. This is what I mean about a bearish bias, just for the short term, for price to get here and then leave again. This did not happen, so we could have held this trade way longer actually, look at that. So this was the trade on Bitcoin US dollar, for which I'm very happy about. And here is another trade which of course I didn't take. It's during the weekend. It's just a trial trade. If I would have taken this trade, if I would be able to take this trade, and we see that this one would have gone up to 1 to 1 for the moment. I'm just trying different things on areas of interest. I know that this was a very short video, and there are two things in my mind. One of the things is that we are not trading this week at all, because we get to do the challenge for free unlimited times if we close positive. This means that I will have to live 1 week without trading. And the other thought is about trading this week. If we get into good trades and if we are a bit lucky also, then they will maybe extend my trading period and we can finish finally with the valuation period. So the only thing that has changed in the way I'm trading from the first 2 weeks and the third week is the fact that I'm closing partial profits. Nothing else has changed. Now you can see how much of a percentage I can hit if I close partials, and it's not just words. I swore that I was gonna do it. I was gonna pressure myself this week just to show you that I can make all the money back just with proper risk management and proper partials. Okay. Furthermore, I am very seriously thinking about quitting my daily job, let's say, and going full-time again with trading. One question that I have from you, and please type it in the comment section: if I do that, I will be trading live 5 to 7 hours per day, so I will be in front of the chart streaming my trading. Please type it down in the comment section if you would love to see that, if you would want to see me trading live every single day of the week, because if I quit my job, I'm also gonna do that on YouTube. If so, it's gonna be a double confirmation for me just to think about it more seriously about quitting my job. Hopefully you liked this video. Through this video, what we can learn is the importance of proper risk management and proper partials, and of course every trade cannot run to 1 to 40 and 1 to 100. Okay, that's why it is important to close partial profits in certain areas. And you see the difference between a massively losing week and a massively winning week. Doesn't mean that I had more opportunities during this week. It just means that I took partials in the right places. Well, this is gonna do it for today, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.